Successibility partner, not an accountability partner, and how I have found the 99.9% success rate that has helped me throughout my life. Confidence hack number 49 of 365 throughout this entire year. If you want it coming directly to your email inbox every single morning to start your day off on a confidence boost, go to davidnurse.com where you can sign up for free. Do you remember your first time at the bowling alley? Gutter ball after gutter ball after gutter ball. Yeah, don't act like you were the natural. You weren't. I wasn't, that's for sure. But then you discover these magical things, bumpers. The 18-year-old behind the desk who didn't care one bit about your bowling score put them up for you. And just like that, no more gutter balls. Not only were you actually knocking down pins, your overall ability increased because you knew that there was no way for you to miss. I'll repeat that. You knew that there was no way for you to miss. Life is kind of like that, huh? What would you do if you knew you could not fail? Wow. What would you do? Think about it. If you knew that there was no failure. But that's just it. If you knew there was no chance for you to fall in the gutter, what would you try? Would you go for your dream you have always had, but been afraid to give it a chance for fear that you will absolutely flop? There is no failure. An accountability partner is like your bumpers for life. The right accountability partner can serve you even better than a coach can. It's not necessarily the teaching and directing they are doing, it's the motivation, the inspiration, and keeping you in alignment with your set goals, just as you are doing them. However, there is another level to an accountability partner. Accountability partners hold you accountable for the process. Are you getting your workout in? Are you staying within your diet? Successibility partners hold you accountable to your progress, not just the process, but the progress. Questions like, have you improved in your workout goals this month? Have you taken a step forward in this goal? Have you done something to progress in that? Have you connected with a certain amount of people in your industry? These are progress-based questions and not just process. Research studies have shown that publicly committing to your goals to someone gives you at least a 65% chance of completing them. However, having a specific accountability partner increases your chances of success to 95%. Now, taking it to the next level, I would attest that having a successibility partner increases your chances for success by 99.9%. I've just seen it happen so many times in my life and the life of others close to me. Successibility partner. And here is the key. You don't just have to limit yourself to one successibility partner. You can have a partner in all different areas of your life. Think about it. Successibility partner for your business, successibility partner for your fitness goals, successibility partner for your marriage. Think you would 10x your life with these type of people in your life? Absolutely. And the confidence boost is gained today by identifying at least 3 areas of your life where you would like to have a successibility partner and asking the right person if they would like to join you on the journey. Surround yourself with people who remind you more of your future than your past. Dan Sullivan.